How to fix KRNL Failed to Find Roblox Process. Well, that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy tutorial. So if this video helped you out, please do let me know in the comments, but let's get started. So what you basically want to do is go to your search bar, and here you want to go ahead and search for %app_data%. As you can see, this will turn into a folder. And if you have the KRNL folder over here, you want to go ahead and delete this right here. Now, then what you want to do is go to app data over here. And then you want to go to local. And then here you want to scroll down until you see Roblox right over here. You want to open it up, and then here you can see the logs folder, and you want to delete that as well. So it is currently deleting that. And once that is done, you can try opening up a game and see if it is fixed. Now, if that doesn't fix it for you, then there is a second option you can try, and that is disabling your antivirus. So you want to go back to your search bar and search for virus, and here you can see virus and threat protection. Now over here you can see your antivirus. Now I actually have Norton 360, so I will have to open up the app and then disable it from here. If you have no specific like third-party antivirus app, then you simply want to disable all the options that are shown here and see if it then works. Then later on you can enable it again. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time.